We got a big trip ahead of us. We are now in New York. We made it to the hotel.
What?
Oh dang, what's going on here?
3 months ago, we were starting our plan for this trip. Now it's actually happening.
I'm gonna take you along for the ride. You guys are gonna see how airplanes work and stuff, and how airports work. If you've never been to one, you're gonna get to know. And we'll take you along for us. We're gonna take you along for the ride with us. It's really late, so onwards. This is what our RV is looking like right now, with all this mess.
A hack, if you didn't know, is you don't fold your clothes, you roll your clothes, and then we have these packing cubes that we just take everything in here, compresses.
It's gonna be our last night sleeping in the RV for a long time. This is our home. If you guys don't know, we've been living here for 3.5 years. It's just like, imagine your house and now you have no house. Okay, slides are in. It's like 1 more hour, we gotta get to the airport. Moving the RV. Finally, it's gonna get parked in its place for a whole month.
A whole month?
Sorry, guys, more than a month. Maybe 3, maybe a year. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens, all right? All right, still a little messy, but that's a clean messy.
Everything is organized. It's an organized chaos right now. I'm trying to finish the food that we have in our fridge.
Yep.
Because we only have waters in there, baking soda, and that's it.
Airport food is ridiculously expensive.
Well, food in general.
We are officially getting ready to head out. We are moving our RV right next to our warehouse. Okay, so now we are trying to reverse, well, come forward and then reverse back into that spot right there. So it's nice and snug right against the brick wall. See how that goes. All right, she's in. Woohoo! You did it. Good job. High five.
We're supposed to be on a plane in a couple minutes.
No, we're not.
When we park the RV.
Oh my god. Let's go
Now-
to the airport.
On our way to an airplane. Okay, we made it to the airport.
And it is time to fly out to New York. So, you guys excited?
Yeah.
All right. Welcome to O'Hare Airport, our first stop. Getting our tickets ready and stuff like that. Hopefully we're not overweight on any of this stuff. Yeah, Val bought a little scale, little one, and like weighed stuff. So hopefully we don't get in trouble. I'll blame her or the scale, whatever. So they didn't even weigh our stuff, like I told Val.
No.
Okay, she said they might weigh it later. We got to get all our paperwork. Hold on, first 1 second.
Okay, so we got to get new boarding passes because we have global entries and they have to have it on the boarding pass in order for us to do pre-check.
So yes, we're doing it all over again because we're global entry. Special boarding pass. Nobody told us you can Google all you want. They have the liquids only right there. So the secret is you bring empty water bottles and you fill it with water inside when you get there. And that's how you save money from $20 a bottle of water. It's the first time the kids are getting their passports checked. These are brand new passports. Smell fresh too. Brand spanking new. Never been used before. They're virgin passports. It's like the kids have never been in an airport. They're like looking at every single thing. It's like look at that. They just keep pointing at things. It's like they've never seen clothes before. Yeah, these kids have no idea what it's like to be around here. We're gonna find our terminal and then see if we can get into a lounge. Water bottle. And saved like $20 right now. There we go. It's filling up real nice. Oh. So I'm telling you guys, this is how to save money. Professional flyer here. I fly all the time. Aria's so funny. The first thing she said is, that plane looks small.
We are going to be flying today to New York City. Tomorrow we fly out to Singapore.
Ooh, look, there's like a hand sanitizer right here. For germaphobes like that. I don't mind. I don't mind a little germs. Yeah, it's getting rough.
Yeah. You can't miss, no, you pay for my life. You don't switch, no, you stay by my side. Help me listen and wait on your time.
Okay, we got to the bathroom. It's very small. Like, very, very small bathroom. Cool bathroom, bro. Let's go back.
What'd you get? Snacks?
Snacks for the kids. This is first class snacks.
Yes.
Apple chips.
Yes.
Nuts. And usually you can only get this at Whole Foods. You get first class.
That's good. It's good stuff. Oh, yes.
We are now in New York. Let's go see what this airport is all about. And let's keep going. Welcome to New York. They're just annoying other people, causing a public disturbance. Aria's so cute. We couldn't even see Aria. She's like, oh, she was on her tippy toes. We gave her a box and a stool. She barely reached. What do you got?
I only got $2. See what $2 gets you.
All right. Emmett is adamant about spending his $2 in New York.
A lot. See, these are the cheapest items right here, too.
This right here. This is the cheapest one right here. This little stick. $3, and with tax, it's probably going to be like $4. Emmett, are you sure you want to get something? Yeah. It was way too expensive. These nuts?
$7.
Let's go.
Okay,
So we're gonna eat Korean food before we go to Korea. Any more Korean food and ramen sushi yesterday. There's more Asian food. Whatever. All right, let's get an Uber. We gotta find a place to go. So I got an Uber, and I didn't realize how fast the Uber is gonna be here. Ooh, that's a space. Nice. All right.
All right.
We are in the lift. Now we're gonna go.
We're gonna go to
We're gonna go
eat Korean barbecue.
Yes, it's gonna be so much fun. So
We are so famished.
you can't survive on nuts. So
A few almonds is not gonna get you far.
yeah. All right, let's go. We made it to New York.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
There's a
we were-
bunch of luggages.
yeah, as we pulled all this luggage out, he had like 20 milk cartons.
What?
Dude likes milk. Let's go eat. Trying to figure out how to get it into this restaurant. It's on the second floor. Oh, right here. Smells like the devil's lettuce.
OMG!
저 노을빛이 담은 하늘의 색감 이 모든 것을 내가
I love this place because it looks like a
It's
city.
so cool. It's like we're in a little city.
yeah.
A little Korean city. I'm already very happy with this restaurant.
The heat, though, that is coming off this is very, very hot. That's soy sauce.
It's getting hot over here. Really hot. Okay, first impressions.
Still cool.
Dude be saying it's still cold. I told him it's a cold soup. It's on the heater. But whatever, he wanted to try. That's some kind of like an egg soup. It's becoming like an omelet. I just see Emmett already like so excited and salivating. He's like, we haven't eaten for so long. It's crazy.
I'm gonna try the
Scissors,
kimchi.
guys. Scissors to cut a steak. That's the most important thing.
I'm so happy right now. We have meat, spicy salads.
They have this amazing spicy tofu soup. Ridiculously good. Like there's so much flavor in there, you don't even know what to do with yourself.
Oh, that is spicy. Very delicious. Love that.
We're gonna make ourselves a meat taco. You're gonna put the meat. You grab the onions, 3 pieces of onion. You don't need a lot. You dip it in some sauce, and then you bite it.
Are you serious about that? The onions? You said 3 pieces. That was like 10.
Takes me back to my childhood when I just used to eat onions for fun. Onions are so good. Emma just had the brilliant idea of comparing waters. So in here is water from O'Hare Airport. So that's Chicago. That's Lake Michigan water. And we finna try some New York water. Go, Emmett. New York. Let's go.
All right, Chicago water.
So which one's better?
It's hard to decide. New York.
New York has better tasting water than Chicago. Wow. Very happy with this place because it's delicious. It's like a taste of Korea, but the meat's delicious. It's so good. Greatest sign ever? Pig butts. Yeah. So we're in Koreatown.
Just
Koreatown.
Yeah, welcome to New York City. Okay, so there is plexiglass and it's with a lock and a key on all of the items here. Crazy place. There's probably a lot of looting here.
Yeah, people be stealing M&Ms. Emmett, come here.
Most expensive.
No, which one do you want to steal? I don't recommend this, folks. Horrible parenting advice. I'm sorry. But I would go for the Sour Patch.
Swedish fish.
Can't even buy it without assistance. Now I gotta press a button to get a $4 piece of candy. Swedish fish. Ooh, nerds ropes. So good.
So we are here because I'm getting hair dye and gum.
Okay, let's go.
We got the chickens.
We got more chicken. So Emmett seems to be growing like 2 feet a day. So we just ate, and now we're eating more.
I'm so full, and this kid keeps eating and eating it. He's not full. Like, it's another challenge.
We got him 10 drumsticks. No, wait, or 5. I forgot. Somewhere between 1 and 100 we got him. So, wait, what's up,
Plus,
Art?
he's also eating gum, so he just pretends to eat a lot.
We gotta go.
Yeah, he tends to eat a lot. He tends to eat a lot. Subway. We need to find a Subway and go to our hotel and stuff. That's the Empire State Building right there. There was a big giant gorilla that ran on there, King Kong, in the trunk. We're trying to figure out how to use Google and stuff. We don't know. We don't speak English, but apparently we gotta go this way. So. We are by the no smoking sign to test out this chicken. So we're just waiting for Emmett to finish his chicken. He's got a bunch of drumsticks in there. So how good are these drumsticks?
10 out of 10. Good.
He said 10 out of 10. That's weird, man. It's like perfect. That's a lot of people. I hope nobody hits my camera.
Let's say
Close. I do want to try one of these chickens. That was the international sign for let me have a bite, but she didn't get it.
I don't share my food.
She doesn't share her food. She lies. But I will grab a chicken wing.
Yeah.
Smells very sweet. Sugar content, glazy, delicious.
It's really good.
That's pretty good chicken. I wouldn't say 10 out of 10, but that's a pretty good chicken. So, Emmett said it was too spicy, so my job is to eat the skin off, and then he can eat the meat.
That's the best part.
It is the best part, too. I don't know how Emmett's going to survive in Japan and Korea. Korea specifically. There we go. Skinless chicken for Emmett, served. We just found the most amazing thing in the world. Val?
I literally saw this girl with a skewer of strawberries,
on the street and I asked her where did she get, and she said here. So
It literally looks like a strawberry dipped in gloss.
Okay, we're gonna go get in line.
Oh my goodness, look at that. It's amazing. It's so crowded I had to leave. We can't even like get in line, but
It's been a stressful day, and now we get to enjoy this. It's a glazed strawberry, basically. Okay, ready? Are we gonna try this thing?
Go for it.
Okay, go. You're gonna try it first. Are you good? Okay, I'm scared now. You gotta be super, super careful with your teeth. It is like eating glass and it's super crunchy and so sweet. Basically, sugar and strawberries, the best combination.
Best combination ever.
If no one wants it anymore,
That is so good. Fine. They already had theirs. That's fine. The train is down, so now I gotta get an Uber. We're waiting for another Uber, so I'm supposed to be here real soon. Up, I see a Honda Odyssey. We are going to be going underwater soon. It's a tunnel under the water.
And welcome to New Jersey.
We made it to the hotel, ready to nap. Let's go. Oh dang! What's going on here? This is
me. It's just me, guys.
That's her. That's her name. Her.
I think they
Name
have
is
to
right
call
there.
your name and then they just turn on the
Wow! And it's 4K active HDR with Dolby Audio. Ho ho ho! All right, time to relax a little bit.